Okay, I'm back in North County, San Diego, and all the way back there was geoengineering going on in the skies. And as you can see, there's natural water vapor clouds that are being pressed down by the chemtrails and the chemtrail clouds above. You can see over there where a chemtrail came through earlier. And, oh, what's that over there? Oh, it's just a balloon. Somebody must be having a party. Helium balloon. Anyways, always looking up at the sky and seeing the weird stuff that goes on up there. Even a balloon catches my eye anymore. And it's just a kid's helium balloon. But anyhow, back to the topic at hand. Sunset, pretty sunset. But again, it's a mixture of natural water vapor clouds and the chemtrail clouds seem to be pushing them down. One Pacific Redwood talks about this. He talks about how the chemtrails in the clouds and the chemicals in the clouds press down the natural water vapor clouds and do not allow them to produce any moisture. Well, there's another helium balloon going up. I don't know, maybe kids are putting notes on them and setting them up and seeing where they come back from. Oh, another one going up. Funny. Anyhow, guess I'm getting distracted here by the helium balloons going up. Helium balloon. But it does show the air is very, very still here, so that might be something to acknowledge because we've had very strong Santa Ana winds. And now the air is very still. And these helium balloons these kids are letting off, or whoever's letting them off, are going pretty much straight up. And they're not going towards the coast, they're actually flying towards me, which meaning the Santa Ana winds have been shut down. So there's another one. Money. But as you can see, the clouds are being hit with some kind of transmission because you can see the wavy lines in them, the herringbone lines, which is not natural. Those patterns are not developed by the wind. There is some kind of force that is hitting them. There are microwave transmissions. I'm not sure where these ones would be coming from, but there is one next red radar site in Poway, which is not too far from here. So, and over here, look at this. Look at the patterns in this cloud. These clouds here. And we'll see if they show up. But again, it's like it's like what you would see when the waves on the beach wash up and roll back, and it creates these patterns like this in the sand. And that's a natural thing, but this is not natural. Clouds do not form these formations unless they're being struck by some kind of technology. And it's pretty clear to see. I know I need to get a new camera that focuses in better. Tried to adjust this camera to focus in on this, but it doesn't focus in well, but we'll see how this shows up on the bigger screen. But you can see the wave patterns, the ripple patterns. And like I say, like a wave washing up on the beach, it rolls back and it leaves patterns in the sand. So what would cause the clouds to have these ripples in the sand effect, but in the sky? Well, there has to be another force behind them, because there is no wind right now. There's no wind at all. It's completely still, as you saw over here from the kids that are letting helium balloons go off. Another one just was let go. And the wind is very, very still. But yet these patterns are being formed in the clouds. So, well, see if this is a decent video to post. See if it shows up. It's worth posting. But the cloud formation looking north definitely has those ripple effects in it. And the balloons, the kids, whoever let them go, are pretty much just going straight up. So very little wind. Very little wind that some might say would create these wave patterns that are looking over here to the north. And the whole sky, maybe I'll take some stills and tie it in with this video, but it's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. So, okay, that's about all I have to say. Yeah. There's my cross and the American flag. God bless America, even though it's ruled by the military-industrial complex. You gotta still believe God is looking out for America. So, pray for America, pray for peace in the world, pray against the forces of evil, because really that's about all we have left, guys. Alright, God bless everybody. Merry Christmas.